Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about where to get themes for your Google Chrome web browser. Because one of the things not a lot of people utilize as much is the fact that you can have a custom skin for Chrome that fits whatever your personal preferences are. And if you're inside of the appearance settings, inside of your Chrome settings, you can just click on this button here at the top, Open Chrome Web Store, and it'll take you to the themes section of Google Chrome, which is full of a bunch of really fun free themes that you can download for your Google Chrome to decorate it so it's nice and relaxing and fits the sort of stuff that you're into. So normally I go with something that's like ocean themed or maybe garden themed or space themed, which as it conveniently happens are the main themes here on the front page. But you can also go into the side here, and there's some artist series that you can look at, which are very fun and themed from everything from LGBTQ stuff to black artists or rising artists. So we can see those collections here, which you've got like fun mushrooms or a crocodile going out biking. All sorts of fun stuff. A lot of it very nature or space or science themed, which is very cool. Or if you're really interested, you can search for anime themes. So let's look under themes. So you can have like Hatsumiku, you can have, oh actually this is actually kind of nice. It's like a Torii Gate from Japan. You've also got like some general purpose ones like anime flowers. I don't recognize all of these characters, but you've got some options here. So definitely be sure to check that out. What do they have for cartoon themes? Just general purpose cartoons. They got some silly cats. They've got forest drawn in cartoon style. Cartoon Santa Claus. I actually think this one's funny here because this is actually a bootleg website for watching cartoons online. So it's funny that this is officially on Google's own web store when they themselves don't like that they exist. But that's neither here nor there. Let's go with like, I don't know, abstract. I'm sure there's a good abstract theme here that's like blue. I liked that first one. The first one was alright. I just don't want a theme for my own personal usage that's too busy. Just because then it's kind of distracting and not relaxing. Let's go with this one and see what this one looks like. Abstract technology. Boom. Okay, that's actually not bad. I kind of like that. So, if you don't like these for whatever reason, you can just click this button here to remove it, if you want. And if you think there's something wrong with the theme, like maybe it contains something that's not supposed to be on the website, like pornography, you can report it in that window to remove it. If I go back a page here and I grab... Let's just look up technology, because I was finding some fun themes for me. Oh, there's really not as many themes for this as there is for, like, Firefox, but that's whatever. Let's just add this one back, and then I can go over here, and then I can go to my settings again. I can go to appearance, and then I currently have the theme here at the top, Abstract Technology, and I can reset this to default with that button, although it doesn't give me the same prompt to report the theme as if I'd gone back to its page here on the Google Chrome store. So keep that in mind. But there's a lot of these themes, and they're all for free. I don't think they're selling themes on here. They might have tried at one point. But for the most part, all of these are for free. So if you see one that you like, you can do that. And there's also tools out there to generate your own Chrome or Firefox or whatever themes for free based upon pictures that you like or even pictures that you've taken. So keep that in mind while you're browsing around if you find that you don't like any of them, because that happens. So what does this one look like? Stars in outer space. That one's not bad. That's kind of like relaxing blue colors. I'm going to go with that one. So anyway, this has been a brief look at how to get themes for Google Chrome. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.